captains. Go get them.
Look at you saps.
Stop the killing. Oh my God.
Remain calm. There has been an incident in your area. Peace officers will be arriving soon to investigate further. Please stay calm. There has been a major disturbance in this sector. There has been a major disturbance. An investigation team has been dispatched.
Having access to the KPA network in Ashgate will give us a better idea of their movements and activities. Should enable us to move around more freely.
Philly Alpha to all teams. Listen up. We call these a busted up Goliath. We need something we can depend on when our asses are against the wall and the heat's coming down on us. We need one fresh out of the box, you hear? Don't go risking your lives trying to fight and disable one.
Sam Gold has been asking about you.
Supervisors, cross-check your team's performance reports and file them for clear leads.
I owe you, man. I owe you big. Walker forgot the golden rule. Never rely on anyone. You gotta walk alone in this world.
Supervisors, cross-check your team's performance reports and file them with clerical leads.
Oh God, what's happening? Oh God,
There has been
no!
a major disturbance. An investigation team has been dispatched.
Brady, it's Heather. Those parts are useful, but I'll need more. Keep scavenging. Hopefully you'll get the rest of what I need.
You better pray everything's in order. There has been a major incident in this zone. Peace officers may require your assistance.
Clean teams, please file your reports, make all final checks, and return to Central for tomorrow.
Nice one, Brady. This'll help build support.
Brady, we have reports that the KPA have secured a tunnel connecting Ashgate to Holloway. It will be heavily guarded, but if you can liberate it, then we will have much better access to the zone.
Brady, those look like decent components. I can definitely work with those, but I still need a few more. Keep going. You almost have everything I need.
There has been a major terrorist incident. Please get calm and assist all police officers.
Remember that exercise is the core of a healthy, happy existence.
Trial.
Nice one, Brady. This'll help build support in the district.
Are you shitting me?
Hey, man.
Enough, goddammit.
may be operating in this district. Report any suspicious activity.
Please stay where you are. There has been a major incident in this zone. Peace officers may require your assistance.
Seriously, I've had enough of this bullshit. Seriously, I've had enough of this bullshit.
Take a hike. No problem.
Are you shitting me?
Keep Ashgate crime-free as an example to others.
Get out of my fucking way. Back the fuck up, cabron.
Apex. Fucking Apex. Even before the world went crazy, I was already starting to hate them. Apex phones, Apex AR glasses, Apex biobands. Everything we saw and heard filtered through the Apex branded tech.
Great job, Brady. Every act like this brings us more recruits.
Believe volunteers. You are likes and dislikes, a heart rate, a sleep pattern. And trusted with every aspect of our private lives. She's bought into the lie and thinks that joining the guarantee her early access to see her kids when they graduate from the education camp. Live. All of it.
There's anger in the air.
I'm begging you, help me out here.
Good morning, America. Let's make today special. This is your chance
That's
to shine.
revolution.
If you're lost, I'd normally help, but
Keep Ashgate crime-free as an example to others.
Calls life is a traitor.
Crime level is medium.
Please stay calm and report any suspicious.
Good morning, America. Let's make today special. This is your chance to shine.
As an example to others.
These officers are en route.
Any clad with half a brain ought to get the fuck out of here.
Please stay calm and assist our investigation teams. Stay calm and assist the authorities in their duties.
The resistance uses the color blue as a symbol of truth. Blue stars, blue spray paint, blue flares fired
There
into
has
the
been
sky
terrorist activity this
are the
sector.
best.
Please stay calm and assist our investigation teams.
Where blue whenever you can. You can also be blue. If you're feeling brave, then head on out into the streets and spray the walls blue. It's a strong message and one the KPA can't ignore. People call us terrorists. cut deep. The North are in their droning propaganda has saturated the minds of the people and settled rotten and dark in their brains. I desperately want people to wake up, to see that we love them and want to help them. For now, it's thankless, joyless, sounds like
Keep Ashgate crime-free as an example to others.
A journalist who reported on KPA brutality lived in a building nearby. See if you can find his apartment. It might contain valuable information we could use against the Norks.
This is kind of a liaison zone. Should you even be here? I'm ready for anything.
Sorry, man.
Enough, goddammit.
Transport incoming. Prepare vehicle inspection.
Show these fuckers who's in charge.
Incoming message for Liaison Team 9. Report to Central Message Control with ID codes.
Hey.
The information the journalist gathered on the KPA was disturbing, to say the least.
Rue the day.
I'm sending a team to keep analyzing the data. We've only been able to skim the surface of what they found. Nice work.
So hard not to float away from all this shit.
Come in, Philly Alpha.
Philly Alpha here. Go ahead.
This search for a Goliath is turning up nothing. We just don't have access to those areas where the Norks might be keeping him.
I hear you. Parrish is talking to some inside contact. Hopefully they'll have some useful intel.
You and Parrish figured out when we're making a move to get Walker back? Better be soon.
Warning. Rioters will be dispersed using deadly force. Cease illegal activities and return home. Disorderly behavior will not be tolerated. Agitators will be arrested.
Lawlessness will not be tolerated. Warning.
Any persons defacing public property will be arrested. Report any criminal activity to your nearest peacekeeper.
Officers are on their way.
The current crime level is high.
Shame on you.
Any citizens found damaging public property will be subject. Report any criminal activity to your nearest peacekeeper. Attention. Civil disorder will be met with deadly force. Attention. Civil disorder will be met with deadly force.
Freedom! And the violence!
No more.
Could sure use a morale boost around here.
Nice work, Brady. We now have a direct connection to Ashgate. We can start sending
Mark still
people
know
and
the city
supplies
like
through
us.
to help the civilians
We
right
have the
away.
upper hand.
You must have some pretty useful information.
Billy Alpha to all teams. Parrish thinks he's got something, but we need more information about Indy. Surveillance teams are to take pictures of the building, entry points, weak spots, patrol points, and routes, any automated or drone defenses, anything we can use or exploit that'll give us an edge.
Copy that. Copy. We're on it.
Disorderly behavior will not be tolerated. Agitators will be arrested. Defacing public property and antisocial behavior will not be tolerated. This zone is now subject to Level 1 anti-hostility measures. Do not risk incarceration and ration card suspension for your family.
Keep Ashgate crime-free as an example to others.
Are you looking for something? What's up?
Attention. Violence towards peacekeepers is a capital crime. Attention. Violence towards peacekeepers is a capital crime.
Is there a problem?
Procedure here.
Attention citizens. Illegal protests will be forcibly dispersed. Clear the streets immediately.
Keep Ashgate crime-free as an example to others.
Brady, that building near your location could be an excellent site for an Overwatch team. See if you can find a way inside and secure it for the resistance.
Hey, buddy, come and take a look. I got all kinds. You need fully charged, fully guaranteed batteries? I'm your man. Charged by my own
Antisocial
hard-working
behavior in the zone.
No
has led to
bullshit.
Level 1 anti-hostility measures.
Thanks for checking out my stall.
Fully charged batteries. The best in Philly.
It's every man for themselves. I don't give a fuck.
This is an order from the KPA. Cease and desist all unruly behavior and return to your homes.
Wristwatches, radios, digital clocks.
The current
Can't believe they got
Peacekeepers
Walker.
will arrest all persons found damaging public property. You have been warned.
Keep Ashgate crime-free as an example to others.
This is a message to all American citizens. Return to your homes at once or face arrest. Attention citizens, cease all illegal activity and return to your homes immediately.
There has been a disturbance in your sector. Peace officers are en route.
Things are going nuts.
Remain calm. There has been an incident in your area. Peace officers will be arriving soon to investigate further.
They tell us our children.
Just what I do.
Peacekeepers will arrest all persons found damaging public property. You have been warned.
No, wait, Cleve, no. Wait.
They're turning our beautiful.
Location secure. I'll send a recon team over there now. This should give us plenty of intel about KPA movements into and out of the zone.
Peacekeepers will arrest all persons.
Alright, people, listen up. That Goliath plan we got. Holmes confident you can hack it. We're closing in on a Goliath, but we still need all the intel we can get on Indy Hall and the surrounding area. I don't want any part of this plan to be a question mark. And remember, we're doing this for Walker. We're doing this for Ned. We're doing this for all the brothers and sisters we lost in the fight for freedom. So let's get out there and do them proud.
You got it. Hell yes.
On it.
Norks better watch out. You can count on us, Parrish.
I'm sure every person.
Protesting is a crime. Clear the streets. Protesting is a crime. Clear the streets.
The day I first killed him. I was younger, a fresh recruit to the resistance. I was on my first mission. Simple, massive grab on medical details.
Attention. Illegal protests will be forcibly dispersed. Clear the streets immediately.
Knocked both of us off our feet. We looked at each other. Complete bewilderment for a second. Then before I even thought about what I was doing, I took my knife and pushed it into his neck.
Any persons defacing public property will be arrested.
I'll never forget the sound.
Report any criminal activity to your nearest
We'll all
peacekeeper.
kill as many KPA soldiers.
Vandalism and disorder are criminal acts. Offenders will be arrested. Attention citizens. Cease all illegal activity and return to your homes immediately. Citizens of Philadelphia, disperse and return to your homes peacefully.
No. Not like that. This one goes there, and that one goes there. Got it?
Look at those noise there. Makes me sick.
Great. Thanks, Brady. These'll work perfectly. Now I can use them as a template for figuring out the more complex Goliath
Hey
architecture.
Heather, I need you to run the new diagnostic on the hacking software.
Not now. Brady just brought me the seeker parts I asked for. Now I can finally interface with the Goliath brain and start rewriting its command language.
Crew out there, you're as good as dead. And you'll probably get those around you killed too.
Brady, it's Crawford. I have news on the Goliaths, but there's been a complication. I'm sending my apartment location to your phone. Come over as soon as possible.
Got myself 2 kills today.
I'm gonna be a little busy here for a while. Why don't you see how Parrish is doing? He arrived not that long ago. Crawford brought him in on the monorail.
You know, I used to protest things like war and foreign invasions. Now here I am.
Don't worry about it. You're excused.
Hey.
Antisocial behavior in the zone has led to level 1 anti-hostility measures.
Brady, I think I'm finally getting close to locating a Goliath, but there's a problem. I've discovered my supervisor, Sunderland, has been taking an alarming interest in my activities. I did some digging and it seems he's been gathering information on me for a while now. Word has it that he plans to inform the KPA soon. We have to act first. If he turns me in before I get the Goliath information, then we'll never get Walker back. I can only see one course of action. We have to eliminate him and destroy his evidence. Sunderland will be overseeing the Green Quad during his shifts. We need to take him out quietly. Otherwise, they could trace the incident back to us. The last thing we want right now is KPA officials sniffing around the death of a collaborator. As for his evidence, it's definitely in his apartment. Probably locked away, knowing Sunderland. I scoped out the place earlier, and it shouldn't be too difficult for you to gain access. I'll upload the location to your phone. Once Sunderland is out of the way, I can continue with my line of investigation. I'll have what we need soon. Good luck, Brady. Get moving, Brady. The sooner Sunderland is out of the way, the sooner I can get the Goliath intel.
Any clown with half a brain ought to get the... What's the fucking rush?
This unit is now authorized to protect.
Hello and welcome to KAC. I am pleased to report that
Any citizens caught damaging public property will be arrested on site.
You're getting close to Sunderland's apartment. You should be able to gain access from the fire escape. Just try not to draw attention to yourself.
Vandalism and disorder are criminal acts. Offenders will be arrested.
Crime-free as an example to others. The current crime level is high.
This is a zero-tolerance zone. Criminal activity will be met with immediate prosecution. Peacekeepers have been instructed to arrest on-site any and all persons caught damaging public property. You have been warned.
Okay, you're in. Now for the hard part. The evidence will be hidden and locked away. Make sure you find it and destroy it. Brady, that evidence would have been enough to bring me and the entire resistance crashing down. I didn't realize he'd been monitoring me for so long. It's a good thing we acted when we did. Sunderland is overseeing the Green Quad during his shifts. It's a weak-willed attempt at community bonding, forcing people to grow crops under the supervision of armed guards. The KPA's laughable attempt at teaching us some personal responsibility for our future, no doubt.
Attention citizens. Illegal protests will be forcibly dispersed. Clear the streets immediately. Vandalism and disorder will not be tolerated. Agitators will be arrested on site.
Crime-free as an example to others.
Attention all citizens. Congregating in public areas is a crime. Illegal groups will be dispersed.
You are the resistance. Do you want your family to suffer also?
What is it? What? I wanted to...
Any citizens...
Great work, Brady! This will help get people behind us.
On site.
Example to others.
Listen, Brady. You'll have to identify Sunderland to make sure you get the right man. We can't have any mistakes being made. Use your phone's camera and I'll make sure it's him. Remember, Brady, we can't have you killing collaborators at random. Make sure you get the right man. If you screw this up, we're both finished.
Keep Ashgate crime-free as an example to others.
Peacekeepers have been instructed to arrest on-site any and all persons caught damaging public property. You have been warned.
I'll have to check the filters.
Suspected terrorists will be arrested on-site. Any resistance will be treated as a hostile act and met with extreme force. Defacing public property and antisocial behavior will not be tolerated. This zone is now subject to Level 1 anti-hostility measures. Do not risk incarceration and ration card suspension for your family. Inciting protest is a capital crime. Agitators will be identified and arrested.